Hey everyone, if you want to find AI prompts in FlowGPT in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to search, browse, and discover useful prompts created by the FlowGPT community. First, FlowGPT prompts are instructions created by users that help AI generate better answers for different tasks like writing, coding, studying, and productivity. Start by opening your browser and going to the FlowGPT website. Log into your account to access all available features. At the top of the page, use the search bar to type keywords related to the type of prompt you're looking for. FlowGPT organizes prompts into categories, making it easier to find prompts for specific topics. You can also check the trending section to discover popular prompts used by other users. Sort prompts by popularity, rating, or recent activity to find the best options. If you find something useful, save it to your favorites for quick access later. Open a prompt and try it with the AI to see whether it matches your needs. For the best results, use specific keywords and explore highly rated prompts from experienced creators. A common mistake is using very broad search terms, which can make it harder to find the exact prompt you need. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to find AI prompts in FlowGPT in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.